Hello students, once again I welcome back you all. So today we will learn about noun, phrase and their function. Okay, and their functions. This is the chapter number 2 for you. As a previous video, I have already discussed the types of what is phrase, types of phrase, and the types of phrase were noun phrase, prepositional phrase, adverb, verb, and adjectival phrase, right? So here today we will discuss about noun phrase and their function. Okay. Before in first video, I told you that noun phrase can be formed by a combination of what modifier plus noun plus like this way. Same way you can say determiners plus modifier plus noun, right? And same way here noun phrase can be formed by what? Free modifier, free modifier here, and this post modifier. Okay, modifier. Free means what? The words that is in front of the head word. Head word means the noun. In noun phrase the head word must be a noun, right? So the word that is placed before the head word, that is called free modifier, and the word that is added after the head word noun is called post modifier. Okay. Okay. Free modifiers includes what? Free modifiers can be articles, right? And possessive noun, possessive pronoun, determiners, and what you can say, one more you can say determiners, possessive pronoun, possessive noun, and you can say it is participle. Okay, participle, it can be either past participle or present. Okay, so here one by one we will discuss how articles are put before the noun, or you can say how articles act as an free modifier. Okay, okay, here we will go with an example. Okay, when you say let's take an example, cat. Okay, here when you say cat, it is a single noun, right? To make it as a noun phrase, what we used to do, we either add free modifiers or post modifier after the head word, or we add these three combinations, that is pre modifier, noun, that is head word, or post modifier. Okay, now we will discuss about the pre modifiers here. So these are the articles, possessive noun, possessive pronoun, determiners, and participles are the used to work as a free modifier. Okay, let's take an example. Cat, I already taken cat. Here when you say cat, you are not giving in any specification to this cat, right? You say cat. Okay, cat is okay, but how many numbers of cat, or what type of cat? Yes or no? You are not giving any descriptions about this noun. So we already know that noun phrase is what? Combinations of more than two words. So here combinations of two words, not more than two words. It can be combinations of two words, that is head word and any free modifier it can be. When you say at a cat, that means it is giving more specification to it is specifying this cat, right? It is giving a number of this cat, or you can say dark cat. That means this cat is specified by this article. Okay, same way possessive noun. What are the possessive noun? Possessive means what? Showing some possessions, means owning something, right? Owner of something. Okay, let's take an example. Rita's dog. Here head word is what? Dog. When you say Rita's dog, this Rita's is modifying, we can say giving more specification. Is more this Rita is giving specifying this dog, right? So whose dog you are telling, that means it is Rita's dog. So this together makes a noun phrase. Okay, and again you can say possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are what? Our, your, her, this all are possessive pronoun, right? Let's say I'm taking the same example, cat. Okay, when you say cat, it's not specified, right? When you add a possessive pronoun like our cat, that means this cat is this cat has been specified by this possessive pronoun. Then that means these two are now working as a noun phrase with a head word noun, that is cat, right? Okay, determiners already I have given in the first video how it works as a free modifier. Now participle. Let's take the same example, cat. When you say cat, I have already, it is not specified, right? When you add barking cat, what is participle? When you it is a participle, right? There can be a present participle or past participle. When you add ing to the verb v1, that work as a present participle. So when you say barking dog, so this dog has been specified by this barking, that is a participle, and this whole together is working as a noun phrase. Okay, leave this one now. I've already discussed free modifier. Now let us discuss post modifier. Okay, post modifier. Post modifier can be a post means after the word that is add after the head word noun, that is a post modifier. Okay, post modifier can be a prepositional phrase. And what is prepositional phrase? I already told before. It can be a adjective clause, adjective clause. You can say or relative clause. Okay, what are the relative words? The relative words are what? Who, whom, right? These all are relatives. Whose, these all are a relative pronoun. And adjective clause or relative clause is formed by this relative pronoun, right? And it can be also a participle phrase. This post modifier can also be a participle phrase, or it can be also a infinitives. I will not go details about infinitives. I already told you also what is participle, you know. What is infinitives, you already know. Okay, let's take an example now. A man with a bag. Here which one is the head word? Man. Now with a bag, this is what now? This is a prepositional phrase, right? And it is working as what now? It is working as what? It is working as an adjective phrase. Okay, why it is working as an adjective phrase? Because it is describing the noun, and the words or group of words that describe the noun is called what? Adjective, and it is a combination of more than one word. So here in the sentence, it is this prepositional phrase is working as a adjective phrase. As I already told, that prepositional phrase basically work as both adjective and adverb phrase. Okay, here it is a post modifier, right? And here a is what? Free modifier, and this is a noun, right? And this free modifier plus noun plus post modifier work as what? Work as noun phrase. Okay, and I told that noun phrase can work as both subject and object. Okay, here let make this noun phrase as an object. Okay, let's just add some extra info there. A man with a bag was standing. Here now this a man with a bag is what now? It is a noun phrase and it is working as what? Subject. Okay, this prepositional phrase I already told, adjective clause. Okay, adjective clause. Let's see this one. The boy who was beaten. Who was beaten is what now? Who was beaten is an adjectival clause. Why it is adjectival clause now? Because there is a combination of subject and verb. Okay. Here, who was beaten is describing whom? Is describing the boy. Okay. And it is a adjectival clause. Why it is adjectival clause? Because it is describing the noun boy. Okay, and it is formed by relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, I already told what are the relative pronouns. These are some relative pronouns that are who, whom, whose. These all are relative pronouns. And relative clause or adjectival clause is formed by what? This relative pronoun. So who was beaten is a relative clause, and it is an adjectival clause, and this part is describing the head word noun, and this is the free modifier. Okay, this way